Mayor Gray and his team are all too familiar with flooding in the LeDroit Park and Bloomingdale neighborhoods.
When it rains too hard and rains too fast, the combined sewers in Bloomingdale and LeDroit can't handle the flow, and that's when the flooding begins.
Heavy rains in the summer of 2012 caused severe flooding to the LeDroit Park and Bloomingdale neighborhoods. But on Friday, Mayor Gray announced plans to hopefully alleviate some of that severe flooding in the future.
What we're calling the Northeast Boundary Neighborhood Project, a protection project, will intercept storm water and wastewater before it even gets to the undersized sewer.
The plan will incorporate the former McMillan sand filtration plant in D.C., taking stormwater that would typically wind up in Bloomingdale or LeDroit Park and storing it until it can be moved safely out of the area.
Stormwater only flow off of North Capitol Street into one of the sand filters at the northeast corner, 3 million gallons.
The plan also calls for taking stormwater from First Street and holding another 3 million gallons. This phase of the project, costing roughly $20 million, should be completed by spring of 2014.
Then comes step 2. We are going to build a very large tunnel underneath First Street.
That tunnel will be the same size as the common transit tunnel, and it'll hold an additional 6 million gallons of water. This phase will cost $130 million.
And the last phase, which is the biggest phase, is the big tunnel. Our engineers working with the city have rerouted it. It will come closer so we can connect the First Street tunnel into a large tunnel that will go all the way to the river. That will handle all of this flow.
That project is slated to run the city about $500 to $600 million and will be completed by 2022. Nevertheless, residents of LeDroit Park and Bloomingdale are thrilled about the work that'll be done and are starting to breathe easier about living in these two neighborhoods.
It's the first time that I'm feeling optimistic and feeling again that I made the right decision. We're going to see this through. It's going to be fixable.
For WashingtonExaminer.com, I'm Steve Doty.